In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to clear cache on Viber to free up storage space and improve app performance. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Clearing cache can help fix lag, free up memory, and make Viber run smoother without deleting your chats or messages. Now, tap on the More option and then go to Settings. Inside Settings, and tap on Storage. Here you will see the option for Clear Cache or Manage Storage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files stored by Viber. This will not delete your chats, contacts, or media. It only removes junk files that the app no longer needs. Once done, your Viber app will be cleaner and may run faster with more free space on your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clear cache on Viber. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, storage fixes, and mobile how-to tutorials.